Dear students, I am Ranjit from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue class 7th, lesson 3rd, decimals. You have studied about the decimal in class 6th. But here, I want to give you review about the decimals. But what are decimal? First of all, they are related with fraction. Decimals are fractions whose denominator are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 up to so on. Understood, beta? Decimals are the fraction with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 means multiple of 10. Understood, beta? 10, 100, 1000. Like, I have a number 23 upon 100. This is a fraction. You know how to change fraction into decimal? Look here. How many zeros are there with 1? 2 zeros. So from left of the number we will leave 2 digits and we will place the point. 2 digits we will leave from left. First digit is 3, second digit is beta 2, then your decimal will be here. Understood? So this is your decimal form of fraction. This is a fraction. This is a decimal form. Understood? So decimals are beta nothing. They are fractions whose denominator are in the form 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Clear beta? And I will again discuss here one more example. Suppose beta I have a number 425 upon 10. And your question is, change it into decimal form. Decimal form. While changing fraction into decimal form, beta, look at the denominator and count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. So, when you have to write fraction into decimal, 1 zero is there. So from left hand side leave 1 digit. First digit is 5. Leave it. Then your decimal will be here. Okay. And place other 2 digit as it is. 2, 4. So this is the decimal form of 425 upon 10. And suppose if there are 2 zeros beta, then how can we write? Suppose here are 2 digit, 2 zeros are there. Means 425 upon 100. Then beta, look, 2 zeros are there. From left hand side, leave 2 numbers. First number is 5. Second number is 2. Now your decimal will come here. It becomes 4.25. And beta, if there are 3 zeros, then how can I change? Leave 3 digits from the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then your decimal will be here. Understood? You can write. Understood beta? Clear? Or sometime you can also write it as it is. 0.425. It doesn't matter whether you place 0 here or whether you don't place the 0 here. Understood beta? Clear? So in that way we can change fraction into decimal form. Understood? Now beta, if there are 4 zeros, then how can? Look here, then leave the 4 digit from left. First digit is 5, second is 4, second is 2, and third is beta 4. Now no digit is there, then what to do? Then beta place here 0. Now count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are. So here your decimal. This is the decimal form. In that way we can change fractions into decimals. Understood beta? Yes beta. Now I am starting first exercise of third lesson. Exercise 3.1. First question is write each of the following as decimals. First part. Very simple, as I explained in the examples. Now beta look, how many zeros? 2. So from left leave 2 digit. First is 8. Then no digit is there, no second digit. Then put a 0 here. How many digit become? The zeros are 2, 1, 2. 2 digit are there. Then put here beta point. Understood? So the decimal form of 8 upon 100 is 0.08. Clear beta? Second part, you have to write in decimal form 20 plus 9 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100. Look here beta, 20. 20 is the number, place is it as it is, whole number is. And look here, this is a fraction. 9 upon 10. How many zeros are there beta? 1. So change it in the decimal form first. Leave 1 digit. Place here decimal. So it become 0.9. And here beta look. How many zeros are there? 2. So from left of that number leave 2 digit. 1. No digit are there. Then place a 0 here, then your decimal. Okay, so it become 0.04. Understood? Now beta simply add these numbers. When you add these number, beta keep in mind while adding, you have studied in the class 6th how to add the decimals. But look here again, first number is 20. Add the 20. Where is the decimal? At the end. At the end of every whole number there is a decimal. Understood? After decimal you can put a finite number of zeros. Doesn't matter. Now look, while addition, decimal place should be same. Your second number is 0.9. Firstly put the decimal here. Before decimal is here 0. And after decimal beta 9. And your third number is beta 0.04. Firstly put the decimal. Okay beta. After decimal we have 0 and 4. Understood? And before decimal is here 0. And the vacant places. Now add these numbers. At the vacant places, as like the class 6, you can put 0 for your convenience. If you understand, then no need to put. Now beta add these number 4, 9, decimal as it is on their place, 0 and 2. Understood? So its answer is beta 20.94. Understood beta? This is the decimal form of that number. Okay beta? I again explaining this question. First of all beta, look, 20 is the whole number, leave it as it is, and whatever the fraction parts you have seen in your question, firstly change them into decimal. Here it is 9 upon 10, change it into decimal, it become 0.9, and 4 upon 100 it become 0.04. Now you know very well how to add the decimals. Okay, when you will add these decimals, your answer will be 20.94. While addition, whenever you are writing the numbers in that way, keep in mind decimal place should be same. Understood? Firstly place the decimal, then write the number. Understood? Otherwise sometime you can do the mistakes. Clear beta? Yes beta, your second question is convert each of the following fractions into lowest form. Lowest form means beta, there should be nothing common between denominator and numerator of the fraction. For example, I have a fraction 3/6. This is not in the lowest form because here is between numerator and denominator 2 is common. Understood beta? Sorry, 3 is common. 6 on the table of 3. So this is not in lowest form. Not in lowest form. Understood? Whenever I want to change it into lowest form, then there should be nothing common except 1 between numerator and denominator. Now clearly it is cancelled on the table of 3. 3 2s are 6. So it become 1/2. Now it is in the lowest form. Understood beta? So first of all, you have to change the fraction into, you have to change the decimal into fraction. Converse of first question. In first we have changed fraction into decimal. Here decimal is given. We will change it into fraction. Now beta, while changing decimal into fraction, do the converse of first question. Look, what is the number here? 4. Place the number as it is. Now look beta, count the number of decimal places. Number of decimal places means number of digit after the decimal. Now beta look, how many digits after the decimal? 1, 2. 2 digits are there. So put in the denominator 2 0 with 1. Understood? Means it will become 4/100. Clear? So this is the fractional form of decimal. Now look here beta, is it in lowest form? Clearly no. 4 and 100. 100 is divided by 4. They are not in lowest form. So it will be cancelled on 25 beta. 25 4s are 100. So lowest form is 1/25. Clear? Understood? I hope you can easily solve these types of problem. Now beta, third part of second question. 0.342. Firstly, you have to change it into fractional form. I already told place the number, whatever the number is there, place it as it is without decimal. 342. Now count the decimal places. How many decimal places beta? 1, 2, 3. Then in the denominator we will place 30 with 1. Means we will place here 1000. So this is the decimal form. Understood? Now look. There is common anything? Obvious, both are even number. 2 is common. Okay. So it will be cancelled on 500. Understood? 500 2s are 1000. And it will be cancelled on 171. Means 2 is common. When you divide 342 with 2, we will get 171. Now it is 171/500. This is the lowest form. Means first you have to convert decimal form into fraction form. Then if you find anything common between numerator and denominator, cancel and obtain the lowest form. Clear beta? But your next question is question third. Same as like the question first. Express a following fraction as decimals. You have given fractions. You have to write it in decimal. First part is very easy. As like the first question of year 3.1 exercise. And I am starting from second part of third. Now beta, this is a mixed fraction. How to write mixed fraction into decimal form? First of all, beta, change it into improper fraction. Understood? 25 multiply 8 plus 1. Clear? When you will change it into improper fraction, it will become 201 upon 8. Clear? Now beta, how to write it in decimal form now? It is 201 upon 8. Simply divide 201 with 8. Understood beta? I know you can easily divide. Now 8 2s are 16. 41. 8 5s are 40. Here it is 1. Now don't leave it here. Understood? In previous classes, you leave it here. Okay? Now don't leave it here. Now here beta, look, remainder is 1. Then put here 1 is less than 8. Put here decimal in the quotient and place 1 0. Okay? After placing decimal in the quotient, you can place 0. Here, now beta, 8 1 is 8. Again 10 minus 8 2. Again place a 0. 8 2s are 16. 10 minus 6 4. Again place 0. 8 5s are 40. Understood beta? And your remainder is now 0. So its decimal form is beta, we will get 25.125. Understood? Clear? In that way you can change mixed fraction into decimal form. Very easy. I know you can easily divide the number. No problem will be there. Understood beta? Clear? Yes beta, these are the pending parts of question first. Only one part is pending. Third part you have to try by yourself. And in question second, first, fourth and second part. And in question third, first, third and fourth part. Try these parts by yourself. Thank you.